Okay, Honda Accord 2008 to 2013 version. Install for Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Front Convex front parking camera. And Cogoo Android Plus series 10.1 inch big screen GPS player special edition special for Honda Accord 2008 to 2013 version. So 10.1 inch player, special casing, OEM casing, bottom OEM casing. The original small screen will move from the top, move to bottom, so fixed by the special casing. Honda Accord 2008 to 2013. So special case is this car you have to two function, two car player. The original set, CD, radio, FM, all use original. Steering control will control by original. Okay, for the Android player, so when used for the Android player, you have to press for the aux of the original for the audio input. So Android player, Cogoo Android player, audio output RCA connect to original car player audio input. Okay, let me show you a full menu. It's got a video input and video output, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. So app download Play Store, log in the Gmail to download app from Play Store. Google Mail, Google Maps, Waze for online maps. So you can download APK from the web page, New Cloud TV, to watch TV online. Download YouTube. Go to setting. Turn on the player Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Setting number 2. So equalizer setting. Connect Bluetooth, so you can check your about car. Android version 7.1 2019 March version, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. Body setting, so you can personalize setting to change your boot logo. Assistive touch, turn off, turn on. So factory setting, password 8317. Okay, let me show you for the audio. Okay, click for the music icon. So to play a music, so now playing is connect to the USB pen drive. So this player is no DVD, no SD card. It's got a 2 USB slot we put in the drawer. Okay. So the audio out have to press for the aux player. So now it's control the Android player audio output. So the steering control is setting control aux now. Okay, so I'm back to home. So if I press for the radio, it's no sound because the radio the FM radio FM is using the original FM. So now I change back to the original car player FM. See, now it's a 92.9. So I changed channel.
Up into another show. Yeah, into another show at your pub.
So I change, now it's a CD player. So it's connect with the original CD. So now when turn back, I have to use the Android player. Example, I want to use for the YouTube or any video file, audio file. So when I play YouTube, okay, it's no sound. You have to press for the aux. Okay, sample for. So now the audio sound is CD. Okay, let me change for aux. So now the sound is output from the Android player. Then when I switch to the radio FM, so I change back FM. Some country is AM. So now it's FM. Okay, I change back for the CD. So when listen to a radio FM or CD, the display from your original display, on top, you can turn off the screen. Press any way to turn it on. Back to aux. So Android player, you have to clear apps. Clear it one by one or clear all. So this is Cogoo 10.1-inch special edition Android Plus series for Honda Accord 2008 to 2013 version. Okay, let me show you for the reverse. So it's got a fixed line, green, yellow and red. So change back to N or parking or D. Auto switch to the front camera view for 10 seconds. Two-way camera converter, auto switch. So it's got a switch here, extra switch. Press number 1, show for the front camera view. Press number 2, reverse camera view. Press number 3, back to normal. So this used for the menu press fixed viewing for the camera. Okay, this for the Honda Accord 2008-2013 version. Cogoo Android Plus. Installed by OneBiz. www.onebiz.com domain. Thank you.